Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to talk about the Mini 4 Pro and battery management. See, the Mini 4 Pro comes with DJI's intelligent flight batteries, which means that they're not just your standard battery. So what an intelligent flight battery actually allows it to do is it allows the battery to self-regulate if it's being left for an extended period of time. Now, what that actually might mean is that if it's been more than, say, a week since you last charged your drone, you might have to recharge it in order just to make sure that your batteries are full before you head out to fly. Now that's because these batteries are equipped with a sort of self-discharge mode. So if it's been sat for 3 days, the battery is going to discharge to 96%, and then if left for 9 days, it's going to discharge down to 60%. That basically takes the battery down to a safe storage voltage where it can sit happily for extended periods of time. Now, when it comes to charging your batteries, to get the most out of charging your Mini 4 Pro batteries, you're going to want to use a 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Anything less than that, it's going to take quite a long time to charge them up. So 30 watts is the recommended rating for charging your batteries. And if you know you're not going to be using your Mini 4 Pro for an extended period of time, then sort of every 3 months, you're going to want to get the batteries out, give them a nice charge up just to make sure that they're having a cycle go through them just to keep them nice and healthy. So that's basically all you need to know when it comes to battery management, especially with the Mini 4 Pro. The intelligent flight batteries make things so easy. You basically charge them up, and if you don't use them, they'll self-discharge to a safe storage voltage. So that's about all you need to know. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now, I actually also have a complete drone videography course, which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now, it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now, I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.